Welcome back to Tech Diary. Today I'm going to show you how to build your very own facial recognition machine learning code on Matlab. And it turns out it's actually super easy. I'll also share the code with you. We are going to be using tools provided by Matlab.
Before we start writing code, we have to get the right tools, and that's why we have to download the computer vision toolbox, the image processing toolbox, and the USB webcam toolbox. Let's jump to the code. The first step uses the webcam function to allow us access our webcam from Matlab. The snapshot allows us to capture a photo. Now, to make it easier for us to extract information from the photo, we have to remove the colors, and that's why we are using the grayscale function. To detect a face, we'll be using a special tool from Computer Vision Toolbox called Cascaded Object Detector. We will use an if statement to detect the obvious face in the photo, just in case we have multiple people in the frame. Then resize the photo. This is important because the photo we will use to compare with later must be the same size. The key part of this code is to extract the unique features from your face using HOG, which is histogram of oriented gradient. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can read more about it. Then we save the features and display the results.
That's it. Simple, right? But we are not done. We need to develop a similar code that will be run anytime we need to recognize a face.
Same as before, we need to access the webcam, capture a photo, convert to grayscale, and then detect a face. Now, the main part of this code is where we compare the features from the current photo and the one we saved earlier. We actually set a threshold to account for little difference between the photos, which is always bound to happen. We then display the saved and current photo so we can visually compare them. Now the results, by the left is my photo and by the right is my sister's. The features do not match. The next is a photo of my brother and I. We actually look alike, but the features do not match. Finally, it recognizes all of my images, even when I smile.
Yep, that's it. Now you can do facial recognition yourself. And of course, you can extend this code to have more practical applications. You can do a lot more sophisticated things with it. I want to know what you're thinking of building with it. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching till the end. If you enjoyed watching this video, consider giving me a like and a subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.